day 2 fixing the BMW and the oil leak, and we did quite good progress. Engine it stay on today, so it's fixed. I will not anymore too much. Subframe is out, so this is the things which I want to fix it, like I say. Everything what is rust, and yeah, here it's almost a lot of things already done. Here you see the small differential for the X drive for the front. I hope that I will put tomorrow down. This I believe it's then everything, and then we'll start with the carter and also with the rod bearings and everything, and will take a little bit time because I want to do some other stuff also. I also found that some arms have problems, so here it's cracked. Here you see the gummies are cracked on both arms, and I ordered new, and this will come here. Here you can see it's everything cracked, and this should come then probably tomorrow, but in Monday I go to the other workshop because I don't have hydraulic press, and I will press it then together that I have back inside. And yeah, I believe that then it's a start to putting back together. Yeah, I also need to fix the subframe, like I say, brush everything. So stay tuned, and please follow me also on other social media.